Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Then they did I'll share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. No me notification bell no. Send me the video. Pia petu on Sabeka. Me soon say be baked chips. Yes, that's it. You be 2.5 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, nutmeg. We are now mixing it together. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. With the 200-gram butter egg, one mixing it together. Obey me you so much me. Mixing repair now with the blended onion aka. The 1 cup water egumba o de begum little at a time. I am ready. No, just off for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now the flour go working surface so. Now the dough not so. What will it? Who will we are no way to try and sizes now and then open. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. We are now baking 180 for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we one manajo and sign our package and our serving. If my chosen dedica, I'll share my video. Remember, we subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me a notification bell no. So that me the video be able to on Sabeka. Me ye will me taste it. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our baked chips. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.